A very good morning, viewers. I welcome all of you to this presentation on the first drug of Brihat Panchamul as well as the first drug of Dasamul called Bilwa. The botanical name is Aegle marmelos, which belongs to Rutaceae family. Now the common names and the Sanskrit synonyms are: in Hindi and in English it is called Bael and Bael. The synonyms in Sanskrit or Ayurveda includes Malura, Sandilya, Sailusa, Srifala, Gandha Garbha, Sadafala, Mahakapitha, Kantaki and Granthila. Now, if we see the classical categorization of this drug, as per Charak Samhita, this has been classified under Sotha Hara Mahakasai, the group of herbs with anti-inflammatory property. Under Arshogna Mahakasai, the group of herbs useful in hemorrhoids or piles. Asthapanopaga Mahakasai, the group of herbs useful in basti treatment. Charak has mentioned it as a plant of source for oil. The reference can be found in Sthavara Sneha Yoni. That's why he has mentioned is a vegetative source for oil. So the classification here refers to its Sotahara or Sogna and Asthapanopaga therapeutic application. That means it is anti-inflammatory, it is useful in hemorrhoids, and it is useful for Basti Sikitsa. Now, on the right side of the slide you can see the Bilwa branches, Bilwa fruit and the Bilwa flower. The genus is Aegle, which is a Greek name. The species is marmelos, which is a Portuguese name. The family it refers to is Rutaceae. Chromosome number is 2n, that is 18. Center of origin is India. Other names of this drug are Indian quince, Srifal and stone apple also. Let us look at the botany. Deciduous, 6 to 8 meter in height at tree. Older branches are more spiny than the younger ones. The leaves are alternate trifoliate petiolate. The petiole will be 2 to 4 centimeter long. The inflorescence is axillary raceme. The fruits are 5 to 7.5 centimeter in diameter, globose, oblong and pyriform. Flowers are bisexual. They borne in clusters, greenish white and sweet scented. The seeds are numerous, surrounded by a slimy transparent mycelium. This is all about the botany, just to identify it. Why it is important is it is a therapeutic boon to human health. It is a rich source of protein, carbohydrate, vitamins. Among vitamins, riboflavin, beta-carotene and vitamin C. Tannin, volatile oil, alkaloids and steroids etc. are present. The leaves, which contains aegelin, and bark are used to overcome the intermittent fever. The roots help to check heart palpitation, bowel inflammation as well as indigestion. The fruits are used as fresh or syrup, nectar, sherbet, marmalade, etc. Unripe fruit rind is also used as yellow natural dye. and employed in tanning purposes. The fruits, which are dried and sliced, are useful for diarrhea, constipation, and dysentery. Marmelosin content has medicinal properties known as climate purifier, as because this tree absorbs dust, poisonous gases from the atmosphere and emit more oxygen than other plants in presence of sunlight. Now, the leaf of this tree is having phytoconstituents like skimianin, aegelin, lupiol, cineol, citral, citrocumin aldehyde, eugenol, marmesinin, and the bark contains skimianin, phagerin, and marmin. The fruits contain marmelosin, lubanjatin, auraptan, soralin, marmalide, and tannin. Now the area of distribution, if we see on the map, from Indian Peninsula, Sri Lanka, Bangladesh, Pakistan, spread to far as Southeast Asia, Thailand, Java, Malaysia, and then other tropical parts of India. Main growing states of Bilwa are Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Chhattisgarh, and Orissa. Here in the map, the yellowish color represents the abundance of Bael tree in India. Now let us see Bael fruit benefits from classical texts. Kapha anilaharang tikshnang snigdhang sangrahi deepanam katutikta kasaya ushnang valang vilvam udahritam vidyat tadeva sampaktang madhura anurasang guru vidahi vistambhakarang dosakrit puti marutam. As per Sushrutamrita Sutrasthan 46th chapter, he has mentioned that kapha anilaharang, it normalizes vitiated kapha and bad. It is tikshna or strong, it is piercing. Snigdhang, it is oily or having unplugged nature. Sangrahi, that absorbs the excess amount of fluid in feces, so it is helpful for diarrhea and dysentery. Deepadam, it is increasing your digestive juice. Then Katu Tikta Kasaya, having Katuras, Tiktaras, Kasayaras, Ushna Bedium, Bala Vilvam. The unripe or young fruit of Bilwa is having Katu, Tikta, and Kasayarasa, which is Ushna Bedium. Vidya Tadeva Sampaktam. When it is ripe, it is known that Madhura Anurasang, which is having Madhura as Anurasa and Guru. Bidahi, the packed one or the ripe one is Bidahi, that will increase your burning sensation. Vistambhakaram, that will increase your constipation. Dosakrit, it increases the doses. It leads to vitiation of all the three doses. Puti marutam, that is, it originates or it gives rise to bad smelling flatuses. The Ayurvedic properties include rasa, katutikta kasaya, the taste is pungent, bitter, and astringent. Guna is grahi, snigdha, and tikshna. The physical properties of this drug are absorbent, unctuous, and sharp. The birya is ushna, the potency is hot. Vipaka is kadu, the metabolic property after digestion is pungent. Now, unripe Bael fruit is kapha anilahara, balances vata and kapha. Tikshna, it is piercing. Snigdha, unctuous, oiliness is there. Sangrahi, absorbent. Deepana, improves digestion. Katu, tikta, kasaya, has pungent, bitter and astringent taste. Ushnabirya, that is hot. Young unripe Bael fruits are snigdha, unctuous and oily. Ushnabirya, tikshna and pitta vardhana, increases pitta. It is deepana also, improves digestive strength. Kapha, what is it? Balances kapha and vata. Ripe Bael fruit is durjara. Durjara here refers to difficult for digestion. Dosala, aggravates all the doses. Puti maruta, producer of foul smelling flatus. Madhura anurasa, it has sweet aftertaste. Guru, it is heavy to digest. It is bidahi, causes slight burning sensation. Bistambhagara, it causes constipation. It is useful for diarrhea and dysentery. Dosakrit, may cause imbalance of dosas, especially vata. The Bael root is Tidosagna, it balances Tidosa. Chardigna relieves vomiting. Madhura, sweet is the taste. Laghu, it is light to digest. Unripe fruit of Bael is again a reference from another classical text is Tubara, astringent property. Grahi, absorbent. Ruksha is dry. Agni Pitta Krit, improves digestion and Pitta. Vata Mahara, balances Vata and Kapha. The Bael leaves are having qualities of Sangrahi, absorbent. What is it? Balances Vata. Bael leaves are used in dyspepsia, gastritis, indigestion, cold and sinusitis. Now if we see the Bael Pith, Aegle marmelos pith is Kapha Vatagna, balances Kapha and Vata. Amagna, relieves state of indigestion at the level of digestive tract and tissues. Sulagna, relieves abdominal colic or abdominal pain. It is Grahini, it is absorbent, so useful for diarrhea and dysentery. Bilwa stem is Kasagna, relieves cough and cold. Amvatagna, useful in rheumatoid arthritis. Hridya, it is used for heart or cardiological disorders as because it is good for heart. Now the Bilwa flower is Atisara Hara, that relieves dysentery and diarrhea. Trishahara, that relieves thirst. Vamihara, antiemetic, relieves vomiting. Oil derived from Bael fruit pulp is hot in nature and relieves vata. Bael fruit kept in sour gruel improves digestion power and also acts as carminative. Now Bael fruit oil benefits. To relieve chest congestion and cold, the Bael fruit oil is applied over chest and forehead. Over sinus region, to relieve chest congestion and in cold. Bael fruit oil also relieves pain and inflammation. Bael fruit oil improves skin complexion. Now the part use of this Bael tree is Bilwa patra or leaves, Bilwa ripe fruits, Pakwa Bilwa phal, Bilwa unripe fruits, Apakwa Bilwa phala. Here you can see a ripe Bael fruit from India. When we cut it, then we get the picture like the second one. Now Ayurvedic medicines include Bilwa is the first ingredient of Dasamula group of roots. This group represents potent anti-inflammatory activity that specially Bilwa possesses. Bilwa is very useful in diarrhea and dysentery, hence it is one of the essential ingredients of many Ayurvedic anti-diarrheal medicines such as Kutaja Avaleha and Brihad Gangadhara Churna. These two drugs, Kutaja Avaleha and Brihad Gangadhara Churna, are our important anti-diarrheal medicines. Bilwa tail, an oil prepared with bael root which is used for ear diseases. Now Bilwadi Gudika, a very useful Ayurveda medicine with Aegle marmelos or Bilwa as the main ingredient, which is used in insect bites and fever. I have the experience of preparing Bilwadi Gutika and we have got good results in snake bites also. Bilwa leaves juice extract is used as an ingredient in making Astapatra tail, which is used in treatment of headache. Another important tail of headache is Himangshu tail. There are many research reports suggesting potent hypoglycemic activity of Bilwa. Hence, it is used in Ayurveda treatment of diabetes. So, this much for today, all about Bilwa. So, thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.